Hey lovelies, it's your girl Genevieve. You're welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these cute twist braids using Brazilian wool. Braiding extension is pretty expensive and some of the girls can't really afford that, and you see lots of them going on cornrows and wearing wigs all the time. So I'd like to let you know that you can also use Brazilian wool and slay effortlessly. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hey you guys, seriously, something so sad happened to me. When I was filming, okay, I never knew my phone storage was really low, and at some point I had this low storage stuff pop up on my phone, and then I was trying to save the previous clip I was filming already, and I lost it. So I was really sad, but what can I do? I need to continue. Thank God I didn't finish the hair by then. So what I did here, I brought out the amount of extension I was going to use. So I counted the Brazilian wool and I got about 25 pieces. So that was what I'm using. So I had to divide it into two to make two different strands. I'm gonna be using to twist together with my hair. So like usual, I went ahead to use my edge control, which is easier wax and mud to apply on my hair. After I detangled my hair, comb it out, use rubber band to hold it together, and then I went ahead to use crochet hook to crochet the hair underneath. All right, so I did one going horizontally and the other one going vertically. All right, so afterwards I have to divide my hair into two and then attach them with the extension, making sure that the extension cover my hair properly, and then I'll go on to twist downwards. Okay guys, so here I'm showing you the easier wax in case you've not seen it before in my previous video, because I showed you in the first clip I was filming that I lost. Okay, so I decided to show you it again, so in case you've not seen it. And also I showed you the rubber band that I soaked in oil. I used my edge control container cover to put the rubber bands, and I put oil inside it. So ensure you put oil in your rubber band whenever you use your band to make your hair, to avoid hair breakage. Okay, I'm still going on to do the exact same thing I did on the first one. Detangle my hair. Afterwards I apply the edge control, and then afterwards I use my brush, brush it out, make it smooth, and then use your band to hold it down. And afterwards I'll go on to bring out the Brazilian wool, count out 25. But yes, I say divide it into two. I know if you divide 25, you won't get an equal amount, so one has to be extra and the other one, right? So that was what I did, but I just made sure I have 25 strands on the whole. So afterwards I'll crochet one going horizontally and the other one going vertically, and I'll also hold them together with my hair, making sure that the extension is covering my hair, and then I'll go on to braid. And after braiding, when I get to the length I want, because I want it to be a bit below my shoulder, and I also make sure I have an exact length. Once I get to the length I want, I use one of the extensions. Initially I was using one of the extensions to try and secure it, but at some point I just felt like as if it was not really securing properly, and then I decided to just use the rubber instead.
Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. So late at night, no, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming, and you're not real, my mind to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep, then I'm losing time, losing my chance to make you mine. So late
Okay guys, so when I was done braiding the hair, I went ahead to use the scissors to cut off the excess parts that I don't want, and afterwards I trimmed off the flyaway hairs, and then I applied fairly most to seal the braids, and also I used oil sheen on it for extra shine. I also added gold clips for extra beauty guys, but I did that off camera though. Alright guys, so this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it guys, and also I hope you've given this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section what you think about the hairstyle. Will you try it on yourself, or will you go to a salon to let them do it for you? Will you rock the braids, girl? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Subscribe to this channel to help me grow. All right, support me for more videos guys. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Doing the able to stay safe and be blessed. I love you, but God loves you more. Peace.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping